I added these really cool LED lights to my Sondors MadMod e-bike. You can add this to almost any e-bike. I'll get into some of the details on that. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, and the product is linked in the description below. So the LED lights can be connected via USB and then Bluetooth controlled. So it's kind of neat. You can adjust it to be one common color if you want. You can then adjust it to be just white. You could turn it off, but it's also neat because you can also do different music, which is kind of neat. So I'm going to get into some of the details on this. It's really easy to connect this LED light strip to your bike. There's simply two main components. There's the LED light strip with two-sided tape, which you can attach to the frame. But before I do so, I'm going to check the power. Here is the power adapter with the Bluetooth transmitter. I'm going to simply connect that to the LED light strip. And then what I'm going to do is plug this into my USB port. Now, if you don't have a USB port on your bike, you could also use just a power block USB. So if you see that, it turns on, and then what I'm going to do is scan this QR code to get the app on my phone and sync it to the lights, and then I can change the lights and get it synced to the music or however I want. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the product is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.